Welcome to our official channel. Today in this video we are going to show you how to download academic calendar of Samata School. Follow the every steps carefully. Let's begin. Step 1. Enable connectivity on your mobile. You can simply turn data connection on or connect to Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open internet browser and type our official website URL www.samata.com on search bar. Step 3. When the web page opens, scroll down the screen to find out about section, press on contact us button from about section. Step 4. Again scroll down the screen and you will see download calendar button, press on that button and download it on your device. Now you can use it offline too. Hope you like the video, thank you.